In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your mouse cursor disappears while playing games in full screen mode on Windows 10 or Windows 11. There might be several reasons why your mouse disappears while gaming, so let's go through the steps one by one. First, go to Mouse Settings. Open the Windows search bar, type Mouse Settings, and click on it. Then click on Additional Mouse Settings. In the new window, go to the Pointer Options tab and make sure to uncheck Display Pointer Trails and Hide Pointer while typing. After that, click Apply and OK. Next, change your display resolution to the recommended value. Go to System, then Display, and under Display Resolution, make sure it's set to the recommended option. Also check that the scale is set to the recommended size. Now, the next option is to run the program in compatibility mode. Right-click on your game shortcut or .exe file, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for, select the version of Windows that works best for your game, and also check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Next, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices, right-click your mouse, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows update it. If that doesn't help, also expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU driver, and select Update Driver to make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. Then press Alt+Tab to switch out of the game window and go back in to see if the cursor reappears. Sometimes that alone fixes the problem. If it's still missing, press Alt+Enter to switch your game from full screen to windowed mode, and once the cursor is visible again, go to your in-game settings and change the display mode to borderless windowed instead of full screen. This usually prevents the cursor from disappearing. Finally, if your game supports hardware acceleration, try turning it off in the game settings menu. After applying these fixes, restart your computer and launch your game again. Your mouse cursor should now appear properly in full screen mode. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.